this is Gulam from the Cypress Automation YouTube channel. If you are new here, please subscribe the YouTube channel. In the today tutorial, we will learn how to automate a sign up page in the Cypress. The basic challenge is in the sign up page is a username or a email address, and how we can do that in the Cypress. For example, if you are using a hard-coded values for the username or for the email address, then it will be a passed on the first execution, but then it will be started to fail for all the execution after that. So then you will also need to use the random username or random email there. So how we can do that in the Cypress? Let's start our today's tutorial. Okay, so this is my website which I am going to use for the sign up here. So basically this is my sign up page, and also there is also a login page here, and there we have also sign up on the same page. So we have to automate that sign up form here. So just copy that link from here and paste it in our here. So just click on the Control S and just go to the tab here. Okay, so it's saying that it's a failed here. Okay, so the browser doesn't contain a valid alias configuration, so it's showing an error here. Basically the error is just due to that issue. Okay, just remove that from here, from the first line, and you will see that it's executing now. Okay, now you can see that we are also navigating to that page which is already open in our browser there. So we have to automate that sign up form here. So we will use a random email address here for each sign up. So let's start. Okay, so just get the I am using the simple copy paste from here. Then we will also learn about the page object model, and just write it a type, and you can see that Cypress automation, you can use your own name here, or you can use any test value here. So you will see that the first value will be written in that page here. Okay, now currently it's loading that. Once it's completed, you can see that it's written here. So just needs to get the locator for the email address here. Just click on that and just copy it from here and go to our Visual Studio Code and just paste it here and just type the uh, for example, you can say that the Cypress at gmail.com. So what we are actually going to do here, if you are using hard-coded values same like this one, in the first attempt it will be passed and a new user account will be created there. But once it will be created successfully, then after the first execution it will be started to fail, and that's why we also need to paste or type here a random email for each execution there. So how we can handle that thing? You can see that cypress at gmail.com is written there, and we also need to click on the sign up button, but actually currently we are just doing the random email here. So how we can do that? Just we need to create a constant here. You can create it here in our before each method. No, it will not be in the before each method. It will be in before each method. You can also do it here before each method, or you can also do it here. So just add a constant here. For example, we are creating a constant here, name it or random email. So just equal to math dot random. Okay, so we are using a math dot random method here to string. Okay, so we will use the to string and just 36 here to dot substring. Okay, to substring here and just minimum of 2 here, maximum 15 characters here, plus you will also needs to add the extension of your email. For example, you are using the gmail.com, or you can replace it with the extension which you are using in your testing. There you can use any email, but that should be the valid emails or something else you can do here. So how we can so that function is that constant is ready to use here. So just copy it from here and cut it here and just paste it here. So we are just calling that random email constant in our type. So you will see that currently it's a HWJV1SIUAJ WJ8B. So let's refresh it. It will be a different here now. You will see that now the value will be a different value will be here. So refresh it again. It will be in a different value again. So now you can see, yeah, that is done here. So today we have covered that thing, and you can do it in many ways there, but that is the simple way which we can use in our test scripts there. So thank you for watching my tutorial.